Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Ha! Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo.
Sometimes really good. She's really good. My students that I've been getting, they're really good. I'm like, y'all keep paying me to do stuff that you know how to do. So I guess it's just a matter of confidence for most of you guys, because you guys know what you're doing. And then you guys, most of you watch me, so you have a really good idea of what you're doing. It's just the technicalities of it, the application. So I will be doing classes, you know, because I'm going to be doing classes in November abroad. All I'm going to do is 6 classes for the week, 1 class per day, 6 hours for the day, $250 for uncertified, $350 for certified, and I'll be doing them by groups only. I'm going to do them, I'm not sure where, but Florida going to be like my base. So I'm flying from Florida, fly out from Florida. It's going to be from 1 for 1 week, so I can have it in New York, in Connecticut, in Washington, wherever. But I want to go somewhere I've never been. But I have to have 30 students because it's going to be 10 students per class. And it is going to be 3 classes. But each class, for each day, they learn the same thing. So each class, each day, 1 day, what the classes, and you're certified within that day for each 10 students. So how my classes go for each 10 students, the class is split in half. So we basically have 5 people working with. So it's a smaller group. We can pay attention and we spend less time. And that's definitely what we want to do. So that's what I'm going to do in November. I was going to do it for September, but because I'm back to school, November is a better look financially, and we can set up ourselves a little bit better. And if it is that I'm there for a week and a half, I can probably do, instead of 6 classes, I can probably do 9 or even 12, depending on how many students I have and how much days I can get it done in. So that's my aim. And of course, that would be an amazing financial jump. That would be a huge ass jump for me financially. Yeah, so I'm hungry now. Let me go KV. Night now. You alone can quench this letter. I want to let me see. It's in the bag and the do yet. Thank you. Put it on here. So we should go.
Search around the house and so we don't need and give people them and open a business and so you can make a lot of money.
Okay, so I bet the thrift store. So I don't want to open a thrift store. I don't have enough stuff for a thrift store. Yeah, but it's not going to be enough for us to make money from.
And I wanted to say this, but
Today's vlog went live. That's the I hope my breast not popping out. That's the 5th. So I'm going to come out. Okay. No, I'm coming out. That's why I was turning it on. But I'm not this too long.
So my dream was about you had a bath and lip me just like this, not in her. And then there was a mahana chair.
No, I never lick you hotter than that.
No?
Oh.
And then when you was kinda saying something, I had no idea, and I just did this like it was hurting. So I never started again. And then went to the pink room, lay down.
Smile.
And then
I can't wait for you to get all your teeth. It's gonna look so cool. Your two front teeth are gonna be big, you know, like mine.
Mom, I'm going to get bracelets.
Braces, I don't know if you want them. If you want braces, you can get braces.
Wait, so if I get braces, I'm going to still have to brush my teeth?
Yeah,
Why?
because your teeth have to brush and the brace is resting on top of it, which means that you have to brush your teeth more than the regular person. So if you brush your teeth normally 2 times a day, you have to brush your teeth 3 times a day because of having the braces, or every time you eat, because when I say food can get stuck up in the braces too. So I want braces, but I don't think I need it. But I've always wanted braces because I like the braces look.
When you wanted braces? When I was a little girl?
No, as an adult right now, I've always wanted braces. So if you're gonna get braces, that's gonna be cool. But that's only if you want it. If you don't want it, then that's fine.
Let's play Free Fire.
Okay. Say it again, Fafa.
My dog!
You have a mustache. Let me see.
Zayil, can do this, you know? It kind of look like...
Yeah, when you put your finger over your mouth like that. But I don't worry about your real mustache, because I know you say you're violent by nature. You're going to want to fight me off. Ouch. Ouch.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm going to go my foot. One rotted piece of it. Oh, God.
What kind of word I can use with
Anyone?
but they call me a bad word?
Yeah. Oh gosh, Jenny, thank you so much. It's done here, so.
So which word I can use anywhere?
Yeah.
Which word I can use anywhere?
Thank you.
Which word I can use anywhere?
I don't know. You can just ask me when you want to use the word, I guess. But I don't like when they ask me to use the words because it's really annoying. Because it just sounds like you want to be an adult and use the words that adults use. You can use words, just use regular words. Don't ask me what words you can use because you want to use them like an adult. You say, you say Jesus, you say, Mirati, you say things, and you know not to curse.
Mama, is shit a bad word?
Shit? Well, no, not in Jamaica, but abroad, shit is a bad word. And when children say shit, that's like the F word. So yeah, so when you go away on the plane, they can't say shit when they go away on the plane because they think you mean the F word. Jonathan, did you ask what you want for breakfast? Oh no, your foot hurt? You want about the sticker for Papa here, boo boo? Oh, you still so. Oh, you still so. I know some I want my lick up my foot a while ago, but you see that it a bleed. You see the blood?
It's a bleed?
Yeah, blood on it. Blood on it.
Oh Lord, please my dad be my car one day.
Don't do that. It's the blood upon it.
Remember?
Throw it away. If he was about to put it on you.
Put it in the, give me a baby. Put it in there. Put it in the baby.
Where say one Jonathan egg and sausage?
No.
No, that.
In the just egg a while ago and sausage. Oh. So when me and them egg on. Why I can't put on real clothes? I see put on real clothes like a real YouTuber. Why me must look like the pop down YouTuber? Oh yeah, yeah. You wanna help me with the coffee?
Yeah, the mommy heard it.
Okay. So we're gonna drink coffee. Alright, let's go for the stool. Okay. On a phone? Oh yeah, we can do it so for true. Yeah. With some, yeah, when the other something them. Yeah, yeah. We can set it up, man. Yeah. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Good job. I love you. Yeah, I know. And rotted, yes, yes, yes. Take time, put it right in there, sir. Good job. We're going to do 3. So 1. Good job. 2. Excellent job. Mama, 3 scoop, don't it? 3, yeah. The 1 more. Maga, full it up. Yeah. Alright, no, finish. We do 4. Put it in there. Good job. Wait, we're gonna pour the water in there now. Alright.
Oh,
Let's pour over. Yeah. Yeah, because it's hot. Yeah. No, it's right here. Look what you're doing, Jaleel.
Ow!
What happened to burn here?
Yeah.
Oh, the water. Oh, Huh? If it's a bleed? No, let me see it. Let me see if it's a bleed. No, it's not bleeding. No, let me do it by myself. Jaleel, put this right here, son. Good job. Alright, climb up. No! Put down this and turn it on. Very good. Turn it on now. Excellent. Excellent, Papa. Huh? You hear that? You hear that now? Yeah, come. It's doing now.
Yes, it's working.
It's working.
It's working.
Woo! So I did a Q&A thing and I've been dying to answer those questions. But I want to answer them when I have a certain look at... Yeah? What Janina do? Malcolm! Don't say nothing to me and chat too much. The box said I get too much talking and y'all just 2, 7, 3. On there. Yeah, I've been wanting to answer the questions. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting to answer the questions, but boy, I want to have a certain look when I answer because you don't know some means words, and if I don't look a particular way, I want to look inviting because I'm gonna plan for means words. So that's why some videos they really do take prep work, and I'm talking from the base because now with my content I can't just put stuff out there anymore. I have to be very calculated because now I'm dealing with directly. I'm aiming towards strengthening our mental health at the core, which means a lot of things that we knew we will have to unlearn. And I say we, I'm just going to like full disclaimer. I don't want to be doing this anymore. I don't want to be doing things that grab people attention and let me do a vlog here and then a prank here, then a tutorial over here, and then I don't want to do things to grab people. That I never started my channel to grab people. I started my channel because of the love of makeup and how inspired I was by the makeup artists back then that I used to watch. That is why I started my channel. It was never about money or getting sponsorships or doing my media kit. It has now become a business because your gifts shall make room for you. I feel no when people start charge for things because my gifts will make room for me. I have a very hard pill to swallow, and that pill, what, Mom? What your lip? Oh, the pill for gentle foot in our plane. Oh, sure. Let's pray. Lord Jesus, I pray, Lord God, that you heal Jonathan Jalili, and I pray, Lord God, that him don't feel any more pain. In Jesus' name, amen. You're welcome.
Mommy, what is that? What is that?
The piece of stick something?
Yeah.
It's not yours, that's for darn sure. Which one for real?
Just one more.
What you want me to do?
That's yours.
Me, huh?
Yeah. There's a jalapeno.
Bye. I love you. My blood clean. Jonathan, I just started dead?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not the other person. Mom, did you come?
This is the blow. Your teammate that's a kill him.
Yeah, but try so. One of us has to kill one, but if him kill him, then if the other person kill my teammate, then we'll
Ah, me blow. So that was a teammate?
yeah.
Oh, no lose.
I know lose. Mommy, so I want to dress my boy charger up.
I like this. I like him here.
But you have to like make it.
Okay.
So I'm not going to look.
It's mine?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mommy, look here. This mommy outside and shot me. Mommy. This stuff.
Sit up? Alright then. It do? You do it? No.
Don't you want help?
You want me to do it for you? Okay. I never off the bed.
Mommy, look here now.
Oh gosh, no.
It looks like mommy. Mommy.
Nice! Good job! Oh, that was a good one, Jonathan. That was good. Yes?
Mommy,
I am not a naughty mommy. Jolly! Mine a drop. Jalil, stop. Jalil, stop. Jalil, I scrape off my skin. Jalil, can I just lift up things and I carry on? Give me. I cannot finish this coffee. I cannot finish this coffee. What am I doing? Why I can't have a regular yard clothes? You know me hate. Me hate me get a YouTuber that me eating a live. Me hate me the YouTuber what not think really bougie, but you very get to. You know, so on the faves don't have just sausage and marina. Because the whole of the face breast stiff. I know. Oh my god. The whole of the favorite breast stiff, my love. Come on, I'm my life still. My life now. I'm Jelly and Jonathan. Give me the Jelly and Jonathan. Give me my breast. So I don't want to get rid of it. Like even if I do not get my body done, if people have been, I mean, I'm not opposed to surgery. I don't care. You guys know I think differently. It doesn't, as long as it doesn't separate me from the love of God, I bet I'm gonna do it. Okay, I bet I'm gonna do it. It's more about me and it's more about me and God than anything else. Yes, Papa. Yes.
I'm gonna see you.
You want to go to Jermaine?
Daddy house.
You want to go? What is over Daddy house?
Daddy house.
What is over Daddy house? Jonathan, what? Man, this drop on. Jonathan have something over Jermaine house?
Yeah.
What him have over there?
Titi.
The sweetie?
Yeah.
Oh, Jermaine.
Lollipop.
Lollipop?
Yeah, lollipop.
Lollipop him have?
Yes.
So what you want? You want the lollipop?
Yeah.
When Claudia at home, we can go buy a lollipop.
Yes, you buy lollipop now.
Not yet. Meh, not strong enough. It needs coffee strong. Like wood, labor. I need coffee strong. Like Virginia Voice of Jamaican woman. I need coffee strong. Like Jalil's will. Hey you! I need coffee strong. Like Lilith's body. Happy, cause I'm addicted. You know what? Whatever. It could be crack. See, I never thought about drugs like that. Huh? It could be wrong, honey. It could be crack. Okay. It's not wrong.
What's that name, Mom? What's that name?
What's that name?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
What you mean? Me come in never hear Jonathan. It wouldn't make you come and me ignore you. Me the area come, me need an answer. See them now to backside. My next son in them feelings, cause I'm a comforter. I just come for a little cup of coffee. I'm a son in them feelings. I told them I have no two sons. Kill him again.
I'll wait until they might get up.
Oh no! Shit. You should have just killed him and move on, Jonathan. Charlie, don't none of it after the hey, go put on the belt. Can I know if I beat me? Go put on the belt. You just want to exercise your violence. Oh, me heal up myself.
Mom, you can't heal up yourself.
Why?
Call you down.
But may I breathe?
Double kill.
Oh, what did we do? Just in time. Just in time.
So you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who came first? Dang, it is not me. Somebody else came first. Mommy, I came third. Mommy, you want to do something fun?
Well, I'll be editing now, just spending as much time with it as possible because we're going to have to go on the road after this.
Mommy, which song you know? Which one you know, Mom? What's on it now?
Gigi. He was watching. Don't do that. I call the taxi now. We'll soon leave here.
I think it is because you eat a lot of sweets. Take this medicine. It will help.
So you don't want to go to the barber today? You don't want to go to the barber?
Well, I want to go to the barber, just that I'm down to get my something there.
You don't want to cut your hair?
No, because then I have to come back home, bed,
You have a lot of
put on clothes, and then when I go back outside, I get dirty up and then bed again.
Yeah, but Jonathan, I really don't like how your hair look and they're not keeping it groomed. When I wake up in the morning, you don't brush your hair, you don't comb your hair, nothing. Your hair don't look good. You either cut your hair, Jonathan, or if you want great out, you have to groom your hair.
These are your body sources of energy, but when you have too many of them, you start to gain weight. This can lead to obesity and obesity.
No, like when you want to cut your hair and I'm the mother, unless you wake up and comb your hair every morning, we're going to cut it. So that's a punishment. So because I want your hair to stay neat. In order for your hair to stay neat, I'm going to have to implement punishing you if you don't brush your hair or comb your hair. You must comb it so it looks neat because I don't want the hair to be that high. But you want it to be that high. So if you want it to be that high, you must care for it. You must groom it. You must comb it or brush it. Keep it neat. So I think it's better for me because me want to cut your hair, but you don't want to cut your hair. So we're compromised. So you have to keep your hair groomed. Keep it neat. So you want barber you want a fade. A fade is when you take off some of your hair but not all of it. So you can take off some at the sides and leave majority of it on the top. You want him to do that like a fade? You go to Canada. We have to cut it off all day. I did the same thing for Johnny too. And then when I go to it grow up, yeah. But remember that I went to the hotel, you know. So when I went to the hotel, they have a different haircut.
But so tomorrow I'm going to
Tomorrow you go country with the daddy.
Country have a pool?
I don't know, you have to ask Jeremy.
What?
I don't know, you have to ask Jeremy, I don't know my carrier, I don't know.
As a natural sugar.
I just hope you have fun.
And also very healthy.
I'm being more deliberate with my vlogs. And I said that.
It's very useful. It helps with colds.
Sorry, I'm transferring files. And I have to stop transferring my files like this because I'm getting it all mixed up. And sometimes I really think I import stuff. Sometimes vlogs are missing. I want my vlogs for these August vlogs to be an hour. Which is why if I do it every other day, I can definitely need that hour. But then, whenever, I didn't import this one, huh? I don't want to import this one. 79. Oh yeah, I did.
Taking care of health.
79.
Respecting other people's boundaries.
But I just recorded something a while ago. I just recorded something just now. Okay, so yeah. So for the 1 hour vlogs, you're going to get vlogs like these where, and I'm just telling you now, just where my headspace is. I'm going to get them like these where it's a little bit more haphazard, like a little bit more, it's not as deliberate. Certain footage will go a little bit longer because I want it to have a certain length within the vlog itself. I have amazing news. I ordered a new tripod for my phone. I'm hella excited. I'm showing you what it looks like, and it was expensive. This was $50. I'm like, it has facial tracking. It's just great. It's a gimbal, so it's great. So I'm waiting on that. Once I have that tripod, boom, and then I'm going to get a mic. The mic that I'm going to get is $40, boom, and then now we can go up to the camera, which is $1,000, and then the equipment, the lighting. So we're making it. We're doing it one step at a time. We're doing it one step at a time, and ain't nothing wrong with that.
Mommy,
Yeah. so damn confused. You guys, I'm lost. 81, 82, 71, 82, 71, 82. We must use it wisely. If we buy toys with all the money we have, we will have no money left. I want to get footage in there so it goes up to an hour, you know. And when it goes up to an hour, well, I want to carry footage up to 1 hour and 30 minutes. If it's 1 hour and 30 minutes, then I know I can chill off a good hour. And that's my aim for my next vlog today, an hour. I do have a Q&A vlog coming up. I may include it in this one, but I don't want to do too much for a vlog, you know. I don't want to pack it full of stuff because we can't get stuff done. So may I go do? Or only can tell me, because what I'm doing, you know, I'm doing my vlog, so I would typically like to say vlogs. Guys, I'm sorry I'm in my yard clothes. By the way, I'm extremely insecure about how my body is looking right now. My tummy is not, let me see. Fix my bottom. Let me fix up my body. Yeah, my tummy is not, look, oh my gosh. It is just not, my tummy not tummying at all. I don't know exactly what's going on. Most of my things is hormonal, especially when it comes to my body losing weight. It fluctuates like nobody's business, and it's one, really frustrating because I can't get a handle on it. Two, things work for me and then things don't. My body grabs onto so many works and then it stops working, or I have to adjust how I take it because our bodies are different. So when people ask me, like, you know, how are you losing weight, how are you doing this, man, I don't know what's for telling them because I'm just telling what me do, and sometimes what me do don't even work. It's a beer trial and error, but people not want your trial and error, my love. Them just want to know how them can do it and done. Them don't want your trial and error, but that me go through. I never just have it put on some. I have to go through some things that never work, though. But again, and I'm going to keep saying it until you're very much accustomed. We're not cultured that way. We're not cultured that way to give people grace. We're not cultured to take the beam out of our eye. You know, I keep on getting lost, and there was a comment that was made, and that comment was way off. If I want to, I'm going to post a comment in here, and I had to respond the way I did, and I tried not to be rude or facetious or subliminal or even ambiguous. It was just a very platonic, straightforward response that I gave her because she's completely misguided. Completely. And what I don't understand, and again, it was filled with like Christian rhetoric. It was too familiar. And I tell you, I'll always attack you when it comes to me some Christian bullshit, because it's bullshit. Because for years, and I'm going to say it again so you can understand where I'm coming from, being in the church for years, being a singer and having all these talents, I gave them to the church, not God, to the church. The church used it when I needed help. And I was telling them how I was feeling within my very own marriage. They told me that I needed to pray. I needed to fast. I needed to do something, even though I felt a disconnect between me and my husband. The church blamed me, which is what they do for women, which is why my story got so big, because most, if not every single woman who heard my story appreciated it, understood it, going through it, went through it, know of it. They're familiar with it. It is all too common what I went through. And the masses would love for me to be silent because it's making them uncomfortable. But I will not be muzzled, because for 7 years I was muzzled by the church, by Christians. If I'm not happy, my mental health is not in a good place. I want you to understand that. Because when I say it, people misunderstand. Oh my God, she's depressed. Oh God, she can't go through this again. No, it just means I'm not happy. Have you ever not been happy? That's when I talk about what I talk about when it comes to my mental health, because happiness means a lot to me. The Bible says, the word of God says, the joy of the Lord is our strength. His joy is our strength. His joy is our strength. So whenever I tell my story, I'm very free-spirited and I'm not really held back. But I'm coming, Papa, by even what the masses will think, because I've been through it for so long. And Jaleel, right? You know, like bring your back on the road. So they have your water bottle, they have Coca-Cola, then you have an iPad, then you have an iPad charger. When you can't bother with them, I'm me have to carry them. I'm tired of that part, and I keep on, I tell you. You're not going to carry Jonathan. You're going to give it to me. It always happens. No.
You know, the only reason why I did it is because you're my mother.
But Jonathan, I tell you that, okay, so I am your mother, but I have both of you to walk it in the days, so not consider me at all. Me must have my bag with my stuff in there, then carry you and Jolly, then have your stuff in my bag with my stuff, then Jolly stuff in my bag with us for my stuff, then think about me, you know, Jonathan? I'm not doing it every time you pack your bag for something, and when you reach you have to pack up my bag. I'm not do it, brother. I'm not walk with so much load. Jolly, sit down. I'm not walk with so much load, man. And then when you reach you, I go want gummy beer, snack, all sort of fat, and my bag go full up of things again. No, Jonathan, it's unfair.
Jonathan, I just started it. Why? I like this. I like it here.
I like when I go up on the road and then I have to come back on the things. Oh, you have a lot of belts around your neck. You're going to help mommy tidy up the place, okay? Put this in Jonathan drawer in Gigi room, alright? Gigi room. Put them in Jonathan's drawer in Gigi room, okay? Jonathan, you done? Are you my weapon for help me tidy up the place enough for straighten up? Because the living room was straighten up. I want to go put back the fan in the pink room. So Jonathan, you do the living room and me do the room them here. So put back the fan in the pink room. Yeah, put back the fan in the pink room. The living room. So plug back the fan in the pink room and straighten up in the living room for me. Jolly, give me the belt them. I'm gonna hand them up back one at the back of this. Give me back the belt them. Thank you, Jolly. Only two alone? Only two belt, Jalil? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Jolly, left the fan alone, please. So now pull up on the ear, I forgot comb it all over again and pat it down back. That's why adults do whatever they want to and they don't ask children for help or anything like that because they go back and forth too much.
Okay, there's a tear right here.
Oh my God. We can't wear this up on the road. Oh my God.
You lucky.
It's taking too long and I'm high-key worried. For some reason I'm a little bit anxious. I don't know where it's coming from, this anxiety. Bless you. Them see grandma. Yeah, we got barber. Watch out, she don't talk about. Let them hear shot. Mama, you get you already? Him gone. Your doctor gone. No, I just me away upon. Yeah, but they're gonna let in people. They're gonna want to load up the car, and that man I like when I take public transportation with them. Yeah, I know some nigga carry them go daycare today. My honestly, cause me never come have something for do. I never did plan for do today. I gonna do it tomorrow when I have them. So I tell Jonathan I say I'm gonna come back. Your friend what? Fred? Friend?
Yeah, I didn't mean my other friend. I mean, I didn't mean a girl. The girl who I was saying.
Hey, Jalil, look boy, don't upset me, mama cuss bad word. Come over here, sir. And don't walk over the scene. See the big dusty stinking truck. Come over here, sir.
Mama says like that.
He might upset me. The boy I run go towards the seat now. I'm telling him I'm afraid already. Or the hell me for protect you from trucks. I can't do that. See, you try to stay right here, so. You vexed with me? You vexed with me? Why? Because I shout at you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, sorry.
I'm sorry. Jalil, I'm very sorry for shouting at you. Do you hear me? I'm very sorry. I really shouldn't have shouted at you. I was really afraid, that's why. Because mommy afraid, you know? I know. It is coming. Can we go? Can we go? It's coming. It's coming. Can we go? Come, please. Please, I'm really scared. Can we go? Can we go, please? I'm scared, Jonathan. I hate when I'm afraid and you laugh off of me. Because you're not afraid. It's a big machine. Suppose the man can't control it. I'm afraid because I don't trust the man that's driving. That's just the plain truth. I didn't realize until a while ago. I was like, that's a machine, but I don't know the person driving. If I don't know the person driving, I don't trust the person. If I don't trust the person, might kill me. Jalil, stop the Jonathan. Stop, Jalil. Stop, Jalil. Jonathan, let him go. Do not touch him, Jonathan. I say you for stop. You're deaf. I'm gonna tell you for stop, though. No, leave me alone. Him not stop. Him not even a beep or nothing, guys. Ma, do the fuck. Man, do the man be wait. I'm can't again. If I go put on, I can't go put again. Come, it's the other tip. But I'm eat a beep. Yes, please. Oh no, shit, no. Go on. I'm not empty. Come. Yes, please. Don't step on the seat. Driver, listen, I have a medical emergency. I have to go back to my house. You're going to take me right back. You see me at the bus stop ready to do my work? Sit down, don't make me slap you. Why on earth would you be standing like that in a moving vehicle? Yeah, you have change for 1,000? Yes, this left time. It's scary. My belly. Huh? Want to sit in my lap? Yeah. Sure, come in my lap. You want to come in my lap? Sure, come in my lap. No, driver, do the whole me on road, man. I can't go on the road, so I have to release and then start back again fresh, though. I have to go, man, walk here and come back. It's fine, you sure? Okay, this right turn coming up. Your mother laugh off of you, Jonathan.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.